We're gonna go catch some bass.
Oh wait, I see one over there. Wait, I see it. It's over there.
On the board. So I caught someone else's line. So I'll do my part and get that out of the waterways. Oh, this popper's good, bro. BCF with you today. It was 15 bucks. Nick, I bought this popper today from BCF for 15 bucks. Look at the action on it. It's quite heavy, it's weighted. 15 bucks, I bought 2 of them because they were cheap. I wasn't expecting them to be very good though. Oh, yep. Nah, only little, but it's still one on the popper. Not bad. He's all right. Oh, I got that on the drone. Nice little one. Oh yeah. All right, I've done what I came to do.
Go get the lure, you idiot. Why don't you just swim? You fall over less.